Well folks, in today's video we're going to be making a French Martini. This is by far one of my most favourite cocktails. It's the nicest we do. It's very easy as well. It's just vodka, pineapple juice, sugar syrup, Chambord, and then your fresh lime. So let's get started. So it's 35ml vodka, and then 35ml Chambord, and then 20ml sugar, (25ml) fresh lime juice, and then 50ml pineapple juice. There's no ice that goes into this drink once it's made, so I always like to put ice in the glass to keep the glass cool first. And then ice in the shaker. And shake for a good 5 to 10 seconds. The harder you shake it, the more froth you'll get because of the pineapple juice. So empty your glass out. Because there's no ice, because you don't want ice in it, you'll use a double strainer just to catch any of the wee bits of ice. And then there you have it folks, that's how you make a French Martini. Just let me know what drinks you want to see next, and I'll post that next week. See you later folks.
Remember, stay hydrated.